This is how-to vids, and I am showing you today how to replace the light on your vehicle. So obviously you're going to need your vehicle and the replacement light. You can look up on the information and go to your nearest auto store to just see what the replacement light is. First things first is you're going to want to turn on the lights just to make sure you know which headlight is out. And as you can see here, it's this fella here. So now I'm going to go around here and I'm going to open up the hood of the vehicle. I'm just going to put this up. Okay. So now what you're going to want to do is, like I said, so this is our high beam and this is our regular headlight. And when I come around the back here, and we just need to unscrew it like we would for a normal light bulb or for a bottle, and it should pop right out. And next we're going to unplug the bulb, and in order to do that we just push on the little tab on the back and it should come right off. So it's just a bulb replacement now that we've got the old one out, the new one in, by clicking the bulb into the connection and screwing it in. You can turn on the lights, and we should, there we go, she's all good.